Hey guys, welcome to Delf Stack, and this is how to get back deleted photos in Messenger. So, guys, today I will be discussing some practical tips that might save you. So, guys, remember that once you have deleted a photo in Messenger, you cannot retrieve it back, but some solutions is you could just simply go ahead and go to the gallery into your device. And if you are lucky enough, you should be able to have here a messenger category or album into your photo gallery. And you might have your photo over here, as you can see on my device. Now, another method is that you could ask the sender for the photos, because sometimes if you deleted a convo, it will only be deleted on your side and it will be still available on their side. So if you deleted a picture, you could just simply go ahead and deleted it for you. They might be available on their side. So you could just simply ask the sender for the photos. Now, another option is you could try to check the archive of your conversation, because guys, sometimes it's possible that the conversation was archived instead of deleted. So to do that, select the three dots or menu at the bottom right, and you will have the archive option over here, and you should be able to see your friend messages, and you might have it in there. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.